Hey my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, the big man in action. The man with 2 metal bar on each shoulder. You know? We're in the deep garrison. Yeah man, we are lying with the that should have been one, but outfielders not up to par, you know? Yeah, the man with metal bar. Deep interaction with members of Mongoose Town. Yes. Looking rusty, but look at WD-40 would have done the work. Yeah, I'm saying better than Sunil Narayan, you know? Ah!
I like that. I like that, you know. Police playing cricket with young persons within the country of Jamaica. I like that. You know what I say? Yeah. In my point of view, something like that is good, you know, and I would like to see more things like that happen within the country of Jamaica. See? Alright, I want to say big up and respect to the police officers shown in that video that I just presented to you. You see me? Yeah, big up everyone shown in the video as well. You see me? I say? Alright, so big up and respect to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm here again. My name is Dancehall Skilla. You see? Now I'm going to tell you about things that happened and said what happened within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now I'm going to talk to you about a post that I saw on social media. I saw a post on social media where it is said that a person went to an ATM machine to withdraw money and saw that someone left a bank card in the ATM machine with the account opened. You see me? Yeah, it is said that the person pressed a button and took the card out of the ATM machine and handed over the card to a security guard at the bank where that ATM machine is at. You see what I'm saying to you? And I want to say big up and respect to that person. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, wherever that person is at, I want to say big up and respect to that person, because we need as much honest person in the world. You see me? Because of big crazy things that happen all over the world. You see me? So big up and respect to that person. Alright, now I read a news article where it is said that Nesbeth road manager had been shot and injured. And I'm talking about Nesbeth, the musician. Yeah, it is said that his road manager had been shot and injured. It is said that his road manager had been shot in the face by an unknown assailant. According to some things that I read in the news article, it is said that Nesbeth road manager had been shot and injured sometime within the month of March, the year 2021. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where the incident happened, you see me? And I don't have any information about his medical condition either, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and I also saw a post on Nesbeth's Instagram page that shows a video with Nesbeth and a person who is said to be the road manager, and some things have been written in the post as well. That's what I'm saying to you. Alright, so I'm not going to explain certain things that have been written in the post, but here are screenshots of the post right here. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to move on to another topic, you see. Alright, now sometime within the month of March, the year 2021, it is said that many senior citizens from within the country of Jamaica went to a place that is known as Good Samaritan Inn, that is in Kingston, Jamaica, trying to get vaccinated for the COVID-19, you see me? It is said that senior citizens who were at that place at that time did not get vaccinated for the COVID-19 because of certain reasons, and I'm going to present a video to you that might give you a understanding as to why that happened, is what I'm saying to you. I think if I present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, you might get a better understanding as to what happened, you understand? Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Pharmacy employee myself be considered a healthcare worker?
Right, so healthcare worker consists of not just doctors and nurses, but also pharmacists, auxiliary workers. Once you are involved with the care of patients, you are considered a healthcare worker. Now, in order for you to be taken in here as a healthcare worker, you would have to show your identification and prove that you're a healthcare worker. Whether be your practicing certificate or a letter from the doctor's office or a letter from the doctor's office that you work at, or your hospital ID, whatever the case is. We just need to see.
The pharmacy that I'm employed to, they don't issue pharmacy in town.
Right, but you can get an employment letter.
You have it? You have something? No, work out. Yeah, man, may I come. Daddy, turn on the AC, may I come? Right, that's all. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to see if I can get the registration form. You have your appointment? You have appointment?
I was asked to ask for a nurse, Lamont.
Oh, nurse, I don't know, you know. Let me ask them for you. I don't really work here, I can ask for you. Lamont. Sorry. Hello. Is a nurse Lamont here? Nurse Lamont. Someone. Okay, thanks.
I have not been informed of that. As I said, I mean, it's common sense that we would have had an appointment system from the get-go, but unfortunately at this very moment, I don't know of an appointment system that's being used, and I'm told that they're working on it to launch it on Monday. That's what I'm informed of. I know, but it's instructions that I got, and if at the end of the day and they look in the book and they see that elderly persons are vaccinated, not healthcare workers, then we are going to get more than just an email, because as I said, the email that we got is specifically for this site.
Okay, so let me ask you something. You have this information and we've been standing
So that was actually just communicated to me right before I came.
Yeah, but you should tell, the minister should know that the seniors, 90-year-old people standing here from 6 o'clock this morning, and they are now sending an email.
No, they did put out a statement earlier this week. I'm not sure how many persons would have seen that statement.
Over 100 persons here, they would not have, if they had seen it, they wouldn't be here.
Hello.
What about, that's crazy.
It was also on the radio this morning, right?
They're saying that there's no appointment system, they don't know about it, the government will eventually tell us about it. But they sent them a memo, say that they are not to vaccinate any seniors at this location, unless they fall in the healthcare, JCF, JDF, they're not supposed to be vaccinated here. Huh?
Lambert not there today?
Lamont? I asked, she said she's gonna find out for me.
And I can go ahead and read it. He says that from the period Sunday.
Hi. Is Nurse Lamont here?
Sunday, March 14th, Friday, March 19th, from the healthcare workers, members of the JDF,
I don't see her. You haven't seen her.
I don't have any identification on it.
You're not going to get through.
across the island. The ministry is now public corporation as it seeks to provide healthcare coverage of the population. So that has actually been stated before. Right? This is from the ministry. These are not things that we make up. I'm very sorry, but unfortunately we're going to ask you to wait. We're going to ask you to wait for the time when we start taking vaccination. So you're not taking anybody? Unfortunately, we're not taking anybody over 75. Currently, we're taking healthcare workers. We're taking members of the JDF and members of the JCF.
So you're not going to treat any elderly today? No elderly today?
So we could have known earlier. We could have known earlier.
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Yes, but we were here.
When you can come back again? They're saying that you cannot come back until the register, but the government has not yet rolled out the registration program. But they are going to announce it on Monday, and then the seniors will know where they can go. But she's saying this location, they can't take anyone else. Right.
You can't come unless you register.
No. But
Suppose all those people don't come. So what I'm going to do with the vaccine? Throw them away?
I mean, people have been standing out here since 6 o'clock. This is crazy.
Throw it away or then put it down and give people bad vibes. That's why I don't accept associating and bad.
It's crazy.
Persons who have queries, I'm very sorry, but your queries are somewhat above my head.
Okay, so for a certain amount of time, the government of Jamaica are vaccinating nurses and health workers and so on. So may I say to you, I think I understand why though, you know? Yeah, because, you know, nurses, you know, doctors and those persons, they are out there in the field where the COVID-19 is being treated and all these things. So I think that's the reason why. I mean, common sense, for real. Alright, well anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. Viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm just letting you know about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica and things that said to have happened within the country of Jamaica. So what I'm saying to you. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one, and until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm in name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.